Got the front door right here. To your left, we have the classic sectional couch. This is actually a pull-out couch if you have some more people. You also have storage right there. 2 lights. We also have an area that has a mini fridge. Some of them do have sinks. This does not. Coffee right there. Got a full-length mirror. We have a TV right here with the classic stand. Good sized TV. The bathroom is just right here. We come in here, we have the sink. Got a couple towels. We have our open concept closet. The bathroom's a little bit small usually. When you close the door, there's only a few space right there. This one seems to be a little bit newer. Same head. And we have our amenities right there. Yeah, the tile work looks a little bit different. And we have our nice king bed right here. You usually have the 2 stands on each side. Yeah, not much space right here to go around. And then we have a nice window. There's our unit, but you can control on the wall. But this is a classic, older style. I mean, not super old, but this is like what a lot of the Hyatt places look like. This is the room, folks. Kind of got your separate area right there. Sleep a couple people with that sofa bed.